Hi, good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel Fortune Forex. So today 10th of July and we are watching it's a 1 hour chart live chart frame of gold and you can see yesterday gold was giving a solid support around this area, and I mentioned in my yesterday video as well that if support will not breach then buyers will enter into the prices, and you can see gold is formed higher highs higher lows formation, and from there bullishness came and you can clearly see the bulls are here strong. So yesterday gold made a low around 85 to 83, and from there it started jumping up and it made a high around 43 points in today Asian market. As I am shooting this video in before London session, so you can see it's a $43 of movement already. Gold has cracked on the buy side. Bullers are very highest and buyers are keep pushing up the prices. While shooting this video, the price of gold right now running at 3317. So we will see what will be today's scenario and how you will perform a date as a day trader. What will be the support and resistance level as a day trader, how you will find a good trade today, and what will be the major important news today that will going to affect the market. So let's start. So this is a 1 hour time frame and you can see gold made a high of 3325. Let me just zoom it. 3325 gold made a high of, and from there a strong bullishness little bit got over, and you can see the two back to back candles on a sell side, but this is not a trend reversal. Might be possible that it will going to continue from here. Okay, so if we just talk about, but if we talk about the previous scenario, if we see the 1 hour time frame, like this scenario can goes like this. Okay, this is the first scenario. Okay, if I talk about the previous trend, that on every bounce after that there was a stiff fall. On after every bounce there was a stiff fall. Okay, so it might be possible that we will see the same sort of movement in the gold prices, and gold can fall again up to this support level. This is 3285, 3280, or maybe 3282 to 3274. It's a strong support area for gold because gold has retested this so many times. And if we saw any kind of movement going down below from here, we will see a quick and a sharp fall in the prices of gold up to this price range, up to 3258. Okay, or maybe 3250 will be easily reachable below 3270. Okay, so this is scenario one. If we saw a gold prices will gives a strong selling, if sellers will be strong today in London session or Asian session, then we will see a strong fall in the prices of gold, as we have already witnessed the same thing on 3rd of July, on 4th of July, and on 8th of July continue. So if the trend will going to continue, then it might be possible that gold will come down. But right now, bulls are very strong on the chart, and you can see while making this video, gold has already given 4 points of movement on a buy side. So today we have an important data, that is unemployment claims. That is the high impact data for today. So what will be the scenarios today? Apart from that, there is no as such major data or high impact data we have to looking forward. So right now if we talk about the instant resistance level, let's find out. Okay, so let me just mention it. If we see this particular area, after 3325 has been retested on 4th of July multiple times, gold is sustaining around here. If this level breach, if gold prices breach, if we talk about second scenario, if prices breach this and bulls are keep continuously pushing up the prices, if buyers are keep pushing up the prices higher, if we see any kind of candle formation here like this, then we can expect the gold can go up to 3340. And if 3340 breach, we can expect the levels can go up to 3360 as well. So this will be working as a second strongest resistance So first strong resistance is 3340, and then if that breach, we can expect the price can go up to 3360. This is scenario 2. So we already talk about sell scenario, and we are talking about buy scenario. Okay. So if you want to do any kind of buying, if you are having relatively a same sort of analysis which I am giving you. This is not a recommendation of buy and sell, but if you want to buy, then the safe side buying will occur around 3323. Above that, we can expect the levels can go up to 3340. Okay, scenario 1. And if we saw the sellers are very heavy from this particular point, sellers will get active from this point, then we can expect the prices can go a little bit down up to this particular support first, 33000, and if that breach, we can expect the levels can go down to 3285 as well. So let me just mention the support and resistance level for every one of you. 1 second. Yes. Okay. So support here, guys. First support 3302, then second support 3285. This is working as the strongest support. If that breach, we can expect a quick fall in the prices of gold. And if the gold continue to sharp fall, and if the gold continue to show the previous trend, then it is possible that 3285 will going to be breach. Resistance, if we talk about resistance, 3340 is the strongest resistance right now. If that breach, 3360 is likely to be seen on the charts. Right now, trend is on a sideways. I cannot give you exact trend because, to be honest, we never know what will going to be happen in market if that is news based, because every day Donald Trump and US White House is giving so many statements on a daily basis, so we never know what will going to be happen. But if we talk about chart analysis, if we see the current pattern, if we see the current scenario, then I can expect this sort of analysis here. So remove it for you. Okay. So if we talk about the current scenario, if we talk about the current trend, or maybe the trend line as per this, then this will be a channel formation for gold prices. You can expect the same. Yes. So this is a channel which gold is supporting right now, and we can expect gold is trading into this only. And from here, if we see the trend goes from down here, if this breach, then we can expect the prices can go up here as well. So this is the current scenario, guys. This is support and resistance level. You can take your positions according to your risk appetite. Now let's talk about US oil. US oil is interestingly showing some sort of buying here in this particular channel. So I'll just tell you that you can take a support of 67.50, 67.60. If any position came down here, you can go ahead for buying. Bullish sentiments are very strong in US oil, as OPEC meeting is already told, and they are going to increase the production. If production will increase, or maybe the second scenario, if oil prices increase, it will create uncertainty for inflation, and if inflation increase, then it's a sign for a gold to rise. Okay, so that's why gold is going up, and you can see right now it's made a high of 3319. Right now you can see 3319. While making this video, I was talking about at that time gold was running at 3314, so it is going very strongly in a buy side. And if we talk about DXY yesterday made a triple top, and after that you can see a gap in the prices. US oil open at a lower point, and from there it is showing some sort of significant recovery, but that recovery is not enough to push gold prices down, as we have a important data today, that is unemployment claim. So that will going to be a major point of action that will going to decide the trend for gold. And BTC USD, let's talk about BTC USD. Yesterday I mentioned here, this is a point of entry into the BTC USD, and you can see a clear bullish momentum into the BTC prices, a strong bullish momentum, and that has already touched the lifetime high. BTC at a lifetime high, guys, 1,12,400. So BTC USD is making a sort of formation. Let me just remove all the drawings so it will be clear for all of you. So BTC USD is making some sort of formation, that is, this is the flag pattern in BTC USD. You can see it's a flag pattern in BTC USD. If this breach, we can expect a double movement from here up to this. Yes, whatever the flag situation is there, if you talk about this flag, okay, the price of this flag will gives you a double return. This is a technical analysis. Okay, so this price range, it might be possible this is the price range which you will see today, exactly follow the same pattern on the reverse side. So you can keep tracking your positions on the BTC. If BTC break this flag pattern, we can expect much more biasness from here. Okay, much more bullishness from here. So take care according to that. We'll see you tomorrow. If you're coming for the first time on our channel, please like and subscribe the video so that you will get everything from my side, every support and every help. And this is my Telegram channel ID, guys. You can reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you want to know about any trading sort of things, you can reach out to me here, fortune signals underscore admin. Thank you. Till then, bye bye. See you.